The gravel crunches under a heavy tread. A single window glowing amber light, while the rest of Miller's Lane is long since dead, tucked beneath the suffocating quilt of night. I am tracing patterns where the paint has peeled, searching for the rot that 30 years concealed. The deadbolt doesn't click into the frame. The porch swing shutters like it knows my name. Figures stretch across the hallway floor, tracing shapes that weren't there before. Behind the heavy oak and iron latch, a hidden history begins to hatch. The secrets of the valley turn to ice. Every quiet doorstep has a price. Distorted faces in the silver glass wait for the interloper's ghost to pass. Holloway won't look me in the eye. He keeps his shutters clamped against the cold. He knows exactly how the rumors die and why the newer residents are never told. I found a leather ledger in the crawl space dirt, names of those the darkness came to hurt. Behind the heavy oak and iron latch, a hidden history begins to hatch. The secrets of a valley turn to ice. Every quiet doorstep has a price. Distorted faces in the silver glass wait for the interloper's ghost to pass. There's a shallow pit in the basement floor, a draft that wasn't coming from the door. The floorboards grown a warning I ignore. Truth is a jagged and a double-edged sword. I'm sinking deep into the wooden storm. This town was never meant to be my own. Behind the heavy oak and iron latch, a hidden history begins to hatch. The secrets of the valley turn to ice. Every quiet doorstep has a price. Distorted faces in the silver glass wait for the interloper's ghost to pass. I see a silhouette against the blind, the sort of thing you cannot leave behind. The door is opening. The door is opening. Just a crack. There is no going back.